We can open this one.
So there is one speaker with it. The original Vivo buds.
Okay.
And there is wireless charger also.
Okay.
And one bag.
Welcome to X80 Pro opening. Okay, so it comes with this phone, and it's also, I already put the cover on it, so we'll remove the cover. And otherwise it also comes with, it's one charger. This charger is also there. This is a, I think, what is the model? It is 80-watt charger. It takes around half an hour to become fully charged. Also it comes with a cable and also one earphone, the same items. Then also this one comes with a package of VIVO TWS2E. This is a Bluetooth earphone speaker. Okay, this also comes with together, this one. So now I just will open our phone. So this is the phone. Very good. Actually, I also tried. It's mainly the statement is about photography redefined. So we can just talk about something. So we have done some videos. We can see from here where I also posted this one in our first video. So this is also part of X80 Pro. Actually, it's having this cinematic mode. I think by currently it's giving a very good view, clear